WhatsApp has added a slew of new features and changes over the years. Customers are already requesting future features, and WhatsApp has a slew of new features to give users a better conversation experience. Welcome to our channel, Tech Region, and in this video, we'll see what those amazing WhatsApp features coming in 2022. Number 9. There is no time limit for deleting communications that have been sent. You can delete messages sent to WhatsApp with a time limit of up to 68 minutes 16 seconds after they were sent. According to a recent evaluation, Meta-owned applications are using the beta approach to test new features and are reaching their limits as soon as possible for everyone. Customers can now delete previously sent messages at any time thanks to a game-changing new feature. There is no information available about how this option works. Number 8. In alerts, include a picture of your profile. When users receive new messages from friends and groups, instant messaging apps are testing a new feature that displays a user's photo in alerts on iOS devices. Number 7. Switch Show Last off for specific individuals. WhatsApp is also looking for new features that will allow users to conceal their last visible fame with the help of the simplest special contacts. WhatsApp will notify you that you can already hide your customer's phone number from your contacts. If this option is unavailable, customers will be unable to view eventually visible celebrities in their contacts. Customers can hide the most recently displayed information from a specific contact that no longer requires searching. Using the all-new Ultimate Visible function, all the different people in the contact are last displayed. It's easy to see why he's famous. This functionality should already be available in the app's beta version and will be made available to all users in the coming weeks or months. Number 6. Features of the WhatsApp community. WhatsApp is testing a brand new networking feature that resembles Discord companies and channels. This is not comparable to the assets of a pre-existing WhatsApp business. This new signature organization enables administrators to connect with the app's unique features more closely. Administrators, for example, can set up to 10 firms in the network and send messages to everyone. It is also possible to encrypt and terminate network chat. This feature may be added in the not-too-distant future. Number 5. Log out of WhatsApp. According to the WA Beta Info file, WhatsApp is testing a new feature called Log Out to replace the Delete Account button. As a result, customers like Facebook and other social networking apps can now authorize WhatsApp debt from their handsets. Customers will also be able to settle their debt on multiple devices at the same time thanks to the new Log Out option. This feature has recently been highlighted in WhatsApp's new beta strategy. Unfortunately, the logout attributes for both the iOS and Android versions of the program may be too early. Number 4. Response to the message customers of WhatsApp. The functionality preview was communicated to WA Beta Info. Message response allows customers to respond to messages with 6 emojis. Message reactions can also be found in the character's conversation thread as well as the organization's chat. Customers can also enable or disable message response notifications by using an alternative to response notifications. Number 3. Insurance through WhatsApp. Customers who have reported a problem with WhatsApp can use the app to buy in India right away. Furthermore, the instant messaging app is preparing to launch medical health insurance and micro-annuity products on the Indian messaging platform through a partnership with an approved cash supply source. WhatsApp will initially use the platform to promote SBI General's Sachet Medical Health Insurance Food and HDFC Pension Plan. Number 2. Instagram significance in WhatsApp. WhatsApp has rolled out a new feature that allows users to view Instagram Reels directly from the chat app. That is said to be part of a larger effort to integrate WhatsApp with other Facebook apps. Number 1. Save your reading for later. WhatsApp allows you to improve the qualities of archived chats and quickly analyze the following factors. After the conversation is moved later in the survey, customers will no longer receive message alerts from this chat. Furthermore, on the most powerful models, this function includes an excursion mode which makes Learn Later talks appear to be archived chats. The user can change the parameters by clicking the Edit button. As a result, WhatsApp users can quickly unarchive some communications. And with that being said, it's time to end our video. What are your thoughts on these WhatsApp features? Let us know in the comments. Like this video and make sure to subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos like this. We'll see you in the next video.